With Domino Classic, we wanted to offer all the advantages that you normally find in a full-grown hearing system, but still make it available for everyone. And that is a breakthrough.
What we learn from our customers is always the base for our new development, also for Domino Classic. What we learn is that speech intelligibility and ease of use is very important, as well as long battery time. It gives us a lot of new ideas, and the users wanted to have a fully digital hearing system packed with features, all in a small and light design, but at the same time affordable. We succeeded to get Domino Classic to deliver in all aspects, setting a new standard in the industry. With a high amplification and output power, that's enough volume to cover almost every category of hearing loss. And with a sound which is clear and crisp.
Picture an ordinary day in school where you're actually able to pick up and hear every word that's being said. And you can contribute actively in class instead of just focusing on hearing. You can focus on learning. And that is what Domino Classic will accomplish for you. And for people with hearing loss, that would make a huge difference.
Domino Classic is designed for people who have better things to do than read manuals. So it's very intuitive and it works just right out of the box. There are no complicated menus, you just press one button and you're done. You put the receiver on your shirt and already there you can start using the internal microphones. You can also use the transmitter and have the person you're talking to wear it. The transmitter picks up the sound of the voice of the person you're talking to and encrypts the data, sends it over a wireless link to the receiver, which in turn decrypts the data and processes it to enhance speech. And from there you can just listen to a clear voice through your earphones. If you're having a big dinner and a big table, then you can use the Domino receiver to listen to the people close to you and the transmitter to listen to people further away. You would place the transmitter at the other side of the table and pick up the conversation there and still have the receiver close to you. And even better, you can combine these sources. You can listen to the transmitter and the receiver together and mix the sounds together. It just works as well in a classroom. You can have the transmitter on the teacher and mix the sound together with the receiver which you have close to you, so you can hear the teacher and hear the people around you.
Hearing loss can have many consequences. You will find yourself in many different listening situations in your everyday life, which can be really challenging. In some cases, the hearing aid just isn't good enough, meaning that the Domino Classic can assist and boost your hearing aid and its functionality, especially if the sound comes from a distance or if there's a lot of noise going on around you.
Developing Domino Classic, we started with completely opposing goals. We wanted to make the system more capable, add more features, and at the same time we wanted to make it easy to use. The combination of different materials, high contrast indicators, ergonomic design, it all contributes to the user experience. You can pay full attention on the conversation, not the technology. From the user perspective, size is very important. Using micro technology, we were able to integrate all features into a very slim design. The units actually have the size of a standard MP3 player. To make that possible, we decided to use state-of-the-art rechargeable batteries, just like in cell phones. The battery lasts for 12 hours on a single charge. That is perfect for all-day use. Using traditional wireless technology, if you are not careful, there is always a risk for eavesdropping. So we decided to use advanced digital encryption, just like corporate wireless networks of today. This means that you can bring your hearing system to a business meeting without any risk for eavesdropping. If you live an active life like me, you want to bring your hearing system wherever you go. That's why we decided to use 2.4 GHz industry standard for wireless communication. That means that you can bring your hearing system anywhere in the world without any hassle.
Living in a global society, a lot of us need to travel sometimes. For that reason, we have developed a special travel case for the Domino Classic, where you can actually fit everything that you need on your trip. Everything from your transmitter to your receiver, your charger, your neck loop or your earphones. And that will keep the products well organized and well protected during your trip. The experience we have from developing products for the last 20 years for hard of hearing has given us a lot of knowledge about what a hearing impaired person really needs. So we work very closely with our customers in order to find and implement all the functionality that they require. The key features of the Domino Classic are the sound quality, which is very good, and the reliable radio link, together with the way it will enhance and support your hearing aid in most every thinkable situation. And still, it's very easy to use. And all this to an affordable price. And that is very exciting.